Welcome to Dreams Onyx. Today we are stepping inside the 2-bedroom family suite, and if you have a large family or group, this one is going to blow you away. Hi, I'm Asai, a travel agent specializing in luxury and all-inclusive vacations. We are starting our tour right here in the Premium Junior Suite. If you've already watched my full Junior Suite tour, you'll recognize this space. If not, make sure you click the link above and take a look at that first. However, let's talk about the 2-bedroom family suite. This suite at Dreams Onyx comes in at a whopping 1,935 square feet. That is a serious amount of space. This suite accommodates up to 10 guests, specifically 5 adults and 5 children, making it one of the most generous family configurations you'll find at an all-inclusive resort in Punta Cana. And here's what makes it really special. This is not just one big room, it's actually 3 connected units. The Premium Junior Suite that you see here, a separate living room with its own bathroom, and an additional junior suite with a king bed and its own private bathroom as well. So 3 full bathrooms total. Everyone has their space and the adults can still have theirs. Now for a very quick Premium Junior Suite refresher, you've got your 2 queens in this particular room, the open, airy layout, plenty of wardrobe and drawer space, a dedicated work desk, and a seating area that makes the space feel complete. And one of my favorite features, you can fully close off both the wardrobe and bathroom area from the main room. That privacy matters even more when you're traveling with a group. And a quick refresher about the bathroom, you've got a completely enclosed water closet, as you already saw, a generous double vanity with all the premium toiletries you'll need, and a massive walk-in shower with a rain head. Vanity is well lit with double sinks, so there's no fighting for mirror space. If you're loving this tour, go ahead and hit that like button. It really helps other families find this content and plan their perfect vacation. And if you haven't subscribed yet, now is the perfect time. Hit that subscribe button and turn on your notifications so you never miss a video. Now, something else to note is just like the Junior Suite and like you see in front of you, each of the 3 units will have a fully stocked mini bar with both alcoholic and non-alcoholic beverages, plus a coffee and tea station because, let's be honest, with a family of 10, you're going to need that morning coffee. Everything is within easy reach and neatly organized so you can grab what you need without hunting around. And then, of course, the patio. Each of the 3 units does have a patio. Unfortunately, they don't connect, which was a bit surprising for me, but it's still a great feature to have. You know, you're stepping outside, you're immediately greeted by that beautiful tropical view. You've got your private jacuzzi right here, comfortable outdoor seating, and dedicated lounge chairs to soak up the sun. Now, here is where the 2-bedroom family suite gets really interesting. Through this connecting door, the suite expands into a separate living room that bridges the 2-bedroom units together. This is what transforms a Premium Junior Suite into a full family suite experience, and it is a game changer for families who want to be together but still have their own defined spaces. As you can see, you have a completely extra bathroom just for this living suite. You also have full 2-sided wardrobes, and this room closes off as well. And then here is the living room, the heart of this family suite. As you can see, the 2 sofas have been made out into beds. But this is your shared gathering space, so perfect for movie nights, family game time, or just unwinding together after a full day at the resort. The seating is comfortable and the layout gives you plenty of breathing room, even with a large group. And this living room even comes with a small dining area as well. So totally practical when you have a group of 10 sharing a suite. And through the other side of the living room is the 2nd bedroom, a junior suite with a king bed and its own private bathroom. That is bathroom number 3. This bedroom mirrors the same premium finishes and layout you'd expect at Dreams Onyx, open, airy, well appointed, with the same quality toiletries and walk-in shower. Having 2 fully self-contained bedrooms connected by a shared living space means parents can have one side, the kids can have the other, maybe even the grandparents, and everyone still has their own bathroom. For families, that alone is worth everything. And that is your full tour of the 2-bedroom family suite at Dreams Onyx, 1,935 square feet, 3 bathrooms, and space for up to 10 guests. If you're ready to make this trip happen, I'm a travel agent and I would love to help. Click the inquiry form in the description and let's get planning. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and I'll see you in the next one.